Assalamu alaikum all. Hi everyone. How are you dears? Fine? Fine all of you? Okay. Then today we are going to discuss our grammar. Right? Grammar. Which chapter we are discussing? Which is the chapter we discussed? Not completed? Yes. Sentence chapter. Right? Sentence. Then how many sentences we have? 4 kinds of sentence. Assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. I think you already done. But some of you didn't submit nothing. That means some of you didn't submit that paragraph. I told you to write which are the kinds of sentence and its explanation and one example also, but most of you didn't submit. I don't know the reason. What is the reason? Is there any reason? Okay, anyway, you want to study well. Okay, all of you. Then only we can go smoothly. Okay. Then I think last class I gave some homeworks. Am I right? I gave some homeworks. Then rearrange the words, make exclamatory, punctuate them. Okay. Rearrange the words. Those who have in textbook, just write question number E. That is sentence question E. Okay, notebook എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം question sentence എന്ന heading കൊടുക്കുക അത് E എന്ന് എഴുതുക. Okay, rest of the things surely if you have I think you done everything, right? Okay, E. First, won't have you the praise. We want to change that jumbled words in an arranging order, and also we want to punctuate also. Can you see how we can identify one exclamatory sentence? How we can? Yes, surely it have what? Yes, exclamation mark. First, won't have you the praise. Right on all of you, you have won the first prize. I think we discussed that thing, right? You have won the first prize. You have won the first prize. Second, how been the day has wonderful. How wonderful the day has been. How wonderful the day has been. What loud noise the car that making is. Question number 3. Answer. What a loud noise. What a loud, L-O-U-D, loud noise that car making. That car making. Exclamation mark. Question number 4. What a that painting is perfect. That is the question number 4. What a perfect painting that is. That is the answer. What a perfect painting that is. What a perfect painting that is. Exclamation should be, you want to put that exclamation, okay. You should put that exclamation mark after the sentence. Lovely, what a you have house. Lovely, what a you have house. What a lovely house you have. What a lovely house you have. Exclamation mark. Followed to lamp Mary's her school has. Again I told you that those who have in textbook just write question number E, ABCD E and write down the answers in your notebook. Then surely you can change these answers when you get your textbook. Okay. What a lovely. Then move followed to lamp Mary's her school has. Followed to lamp Mary's her school has. Mary's lamp has followed. Mary's lamp, L-A-M-B, lamp has followed her to school. Mary's lamp has followed her to school. Mary's lamp has followed her to school. Performance, it was marvelous. What a Performance, it was marvelous. What a answer. What a marvelous performance that was. That was or no? It was. What a marvelous performance it was. What a marvelous performance it was. Then, help is on fire the house. Help is on fire the house. Answer, help. Then put exclamation mark. Help, put exclamation mark. The house is on fire. 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 Next, the bus I again missed. I missed the bus again. I missed the bus again. I missed the bus again. Exclamation mark. Hurts that. That hurts. That hurts. Then another grammar in conversation and Mr. Quizzer proposes. Surely inshallah we can took that chapters when after opening. Okay. Then that is not important also. Then going to discuss question tags answers. All of you listen. Just those who have in textbook write complete these sentence with the correct question tags. That means G. മുകളിൽ G എന്ന് എഴുതി വെക്കുക എന്നിട്ട് 1. We can have our dinner now. Can't we? That already in our textbook. Can't we? Then it is the time for the flight to land. It is the time for the flight to land. It ആണ് അല്ലേ? Which is the auxiliary there? It. Then what is the answer? Isn't it? Right. It is the time to flight to land. Answer is, what is? Isn't it? Right? Isn't it? Then these problems aren't easy to solve. That is the question number. That is question number 3. These problems aren't easy to solve. Are they? What is? Are they? Are they? Kashmira didn't buy that dress. Kashmira didn't buy that dress. Didn't. Did she? Right? Did she? Answer, did she? Speed up. India's performance at the Olympics was better than in the years past. Wasn't it? Right? Was is the auxiliary. The given statement is positive and surely we want negative tag. Wasn't it? Wasn't it? Then if we are late for football practice, the coach won't let us play. Won't. Won't. Then what we can use? Won't. Won't ആവുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? Listen. Won't. 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 Won't tag ഏതാ? Yes. Will അല്ലേ? Will ആണ് won't. Will. Won't. Okay. Then just listen. What is? Listen all of you. Give me the question. If we are late for football practice, the coach won't let us play. Coach won't let us play. Coach won't let us play. How we can won't? Coach won't let us play. Won't. This will. Right. Will. Okay. Then coach alle? Yes. Will he? Will he? That is the answer of 6. Then which is the 7th one? All of you listen. Sumit hasn't reported for work. He hasn't called. Hasn't. Hasn't എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? Hasn't. Yes. Has he. Right. Negative statement moving to positive tag. Right. Okay. I told you it is confirmation. Then only we can confirm it. Okay. Then the next one, 8 over then 7th over, then going to 8th. Arun will get admission to college in the sports quota. Okay, will get ആണ്. Give me will get. Will get. Yes, want. Le want he. Right. Will ആണ് auxiliary will ആണ്. അതിനെ എന്ത് വേണം? Negative tag and subject is he. Yes, auxiliary plus subject. Okay, then which is the next one? You weren't there at school carnival. You weren't. What we can use weren't? Listen, weren't തന്ന സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റിലെ weren't ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ടാഗ് എങ്ങനെയാ? Yes, were. Right, then which is the subject that is were? The you. Were you? Understood? Then which is the next one? You should plant more trees. Shouldn't we? Should given sentence il endana? We get should in our statement. Surely we want to change that positive sentence into negative. Then should plus what we want? Should plus shouldn't we? What is shouldn't we? Then give me next. We should plant. Okay, over India has many dense forests. What is India? I think you completed this, right? Surely you want to write in your notebook. Then only you can change these answers in your textbook. Okay, after getting that, then India has many dense forests. There we have options: doesn't it, does it, and it is. Which one we can use? Which one we can use? Yes, does it. We studied that have or has, do or does. Okay, then had past ആണ്, did ആണ്. Okay, if there is no auxiliaries but only do or does there, surely you want to use in your given options. If has and have only, you want select it. Otherwise this also will be there. Okay, then had, did. Okay, then here what is the answer of 11th one? Doesn't it. Then 12th, Kerala is called God's own country. Kerala is called God's own country, isn't it? Right? Okay, then rewrite the following sentences with positive and negative tags. I think we already done. Then for your you want to check whether it is right or wrong. Okay, all of you. Okay, then question number H. It was a bad experience. I told you that thing. Okay, we will get extra time to complete this question. Third one, we will get extra time to complete the question. Won't we? Right? Will get ആണ്. അതെന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Won't we? Then we won't get extra time to complete questions. Will we? Will we? Okay. Then next question 4. Daisy is busy cooking a dinner. Daisy, listen all of you. Daisy is busy cooking dinner. That's positive. Okay. But negative tag കൊടുക്കുക. Isn't she? Okay. Isn't she? Negative tag കൊടുത്തു. Then Daisy isn't busy cooking dinner. Is she? Daisy isn't busy. Then we want negative sentence. We want positive tag. Daisy isn't busy cooking dinner. Is she? Okay, next അപ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതണം, നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതണം. Daisy isn't busy cooking dinner. Is she? Then fifth one, the Prime Minister went to Japan. Did he? Went. അതെന്തുകൊണ്ട് did ആയത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? All of you listen. Listen all of you. The Prime Minister give me Prime Minister went to the prime minister went to Japan. Okay, all of you listen. Is it positive or negative sentence? This positive or negative? Prime Minister went to Japan. Yes, positive. But is there any auxiliary? Is there any auxiliary? What are the auxiliaries? No. Then, if you get a question like this, surely you want to check which is the verb there. Okay, which is the verb there? Went. Okay, then which tense? That means is it a which just check in which tense it belong. Is it present, past or past participle? V1, V2 or V3? I think verb 1 you studied, V1, V2 and V3. Then which category it belongs? Went. Surely V1 go. Listen. Went. Gone. Right. Go, went, gone. Am I right? Go, went, gone. Then which category? V2. Right. V2. Then surely what we want to use? Did. Okay, all of you, what we want to use? Did. Okay, all of you, those who write everything, just check whether your answer is right or wrong. Those you haven't, just note it down in your notebook. Then the Prime Minister went to Japan, didn't he? And the Prime Minister didn't go to Japan, did he? But Prime Minister did go to, Prime Minister didn't go to. First one, the Prime Minister went to Japan, didn't he? The Prime Minister didn't go to Japan, did he? Angeniya idu maattam pattullu. Manasilayo? Engeniya? Listen. First the positive. Adinu nammal engane answer cheyyum? Didn't he? Right. Okay. First nammal engane answer cheyidu? Didn't he? Okay. ഇനി അതിന് നെഗറ്റീവ് എങ്ങനെ ആക്കും? പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ നോട്ട് വെന്റ് ടു ജപ്പാൻ ആണോ? നോ. ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ? ഈ വെന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഡിഡിൻറ്റ് ഗോ ആണ്. വാട്ട്? ഈ ഡിഡിൻറ്റ് ഗോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് വെന്റ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഈ ഡിഡിൻറ്റ് ഗോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് വെന്റ്. ഡിഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് മാത്രമേ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം മാത്രമേ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡിഡിൻറ്റ്, ഐ ഡിഡിൻറ്റ് ലുക്ക് പറയാൻ പാടില്ല. ഐ ഡിഡിൻറ്റ് ഷോട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നോ. ഐ ഡിഡിൻറ്റ് വെന്റ്. നോ. ഡിഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വെറും എന്ത് മാത്രമേ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം മാത്രമേ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം ഓഫ് ദി വെർബ്. ഡിഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ എന്തു മാത്രമേ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം ഓഫ് ദി വെർബ്. അത് എഴുതി വെച്ചേക്കണം കേട്ടോ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലേ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം ഓഫ് ദി വെർബ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ പോസിറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടി. പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ വെന്റ് ടു ജപ്പാൻ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് അവർ പോസിറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ്. ദെൻ ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ മേക്ക് എ നെഗറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ്? ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ? ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ലിസൺ. ദ പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ, ലിസൺ. The Prime Minister, give me, the Prime Minister didn't go to Japan. Okay, that is the negative sentence. Then how we can write? Yes, did he? Understood? ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ കാണണം കേട്ടോ, all of you. The Prime Minister didn't go to Japan. That we can write did he. Okay, understood everyone. Then we want to write positive and negative sentence. Positive sentence idana given question aanu, which is that the Prime Minister went to Japan. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ എന്തില്ല? ഓക്സിലറി ഇല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ വെന്റ് എന്താണ്? സെക്കൻഡ് ഫോം ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചു? ഡിഡ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, ഡിഡ്ന്റ് ഹി. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? ഓക്സിലറി ഇല്ലാത്ത സെൻറ്റൻസിലെ വെർബ് ഏത് ഫോമിലാന്ന് നോക്കണം. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഗോ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം? നമുക്ക് ഡു ഓർ ഡസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചൂടെ? ഓക്കെ ടോൾഡ് യു ദാറ്റ് ഡു ഓർ ഡസ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ സെക്കൻഡ് ഫോം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് മാത്രമാണ് എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചത് ഡിഡ് കേട്ടോ. ദെൻ പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ ഡിഡിൻ ഗോ ടു ജപ്പാൻ. ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്? വൈ ദെൻ ഹിയർ ദ പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ ഡിഡിൻ ഗോ ടു ജപ്പാൻ. അതാണ് പിന്നെ നെഗറ്റീവ് അല്ലേ, പോസിറ്റീവ് മാത്രം. ദ ഗിവൺ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ പോസിറ്റീവ്. ദെൻ വി വാണ്ട് ടു മേക്ക് വൺ നെഗറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ്. ബിഫോർ ദാറ്റ് surely we want to check whether which tense it belongs at. Surely we want to find out the negative. Okay, all of you? Okay. Then next, you will buy me a new shirt. Sixth question, you will buy me a new shirt. അപ്പോൾ will അല്ലേ auxiliary ഇത്. Then will you അല്ലേ, you will buy. അപ്പോൾ want you, right? want you എന്നല്ലേ പറയാ, want you. will അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ want you. Okay. Then which is the next one? Then give me. You will buy me a new shirt. want you. Then you won't buy me a new shirt. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ആ സെൻറ്റൻസിനെ നെഗറ്റീവിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുക. You won't buy me a new shirt. Then tractors transport food grains from the village to the city. Okay, all of you listen. What is the question? Tractors. Give me. Tractors transport. Then tractors transport, which question number 7, right? Tractors transport food grains. Listen. Food grains from the village to city. Listen. All of you listen carefully. Read the question. All of you read the question. Tractors transport food grains from the village to city. Read. Okay. Then have you seen any auxiliaries here? Auxiliary undo? No. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. No auxiliary. അപ്പോൾ auxiliary കാണാത്ത പക്ഷം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഇതിൽ എന്ത് നോക്കണം? surely we want to check whether which is the verb here? Transport. In which tense form? That is in V1 അല്ലേ. transport, transported, right? അപ്പോൾ V1ലാണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കും? do or does ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. Okay. Then give me the answer. How we can? Tractors transport food grains from the village to city. പറ എങ്ങനെയാ? Yes. Don't they? Okay, all of you. What is don't they? Okay. Then give me its negative. How we can make the negative then? ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു നോക്കിയേ, നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ ഇതിൻ്റെ നെഗറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും? നെഗറ്റീവ്. tractors transport food grains from the village to city. ഇനി എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും? surely it is it positive or negative? പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണോ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണോ? പോസിറ്റീവ് അല്ലേ, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ നെഗറ്റീവ് ടാഗ് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്തത് അല്ലേ. നെഗറ്റീവ് ടാഗ് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാൻ കാരണം ഇത് പോസിറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ നെഗറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ ചെയ്ത പോലെയാണെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? ട്രാക്ടേഴ്സ് പറ. ട്രാക്ടേഴ്സ് ട്രാക്ടേഴ്സ് പറ. ട്രാക്ടേഴ്സ് don't transport food grains from the village to From the village to city. അല്ലേ? Tractors don't transport food grains from village to the city. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? പറ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ടാഗ് എങ്ങനെയാടാ? ഡോണ്ട് അല്ലേ? എങ്ങനെയാ? ഡൂ ദേ. റൈറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഡൂ ദേ. ഐ തിങ്ക് മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്, റൈറ്റ്? മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? വെർബ് നോക്കണം കേട്ടോ. വെർബ് ഏത് ഫോമിലാന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കണം. നോക്കി എഴുതേണ്ടവരും എഴുതിയെടുത്തോ. എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? സ്പീഡോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കണേ. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് എഴുതി വെക്കണം. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ അന്നേരം അതിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി എഴുതും വേണം കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി ഗ്രാമറിൻ്റെ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? നോട്ട്ബുക്കും കൊണ്ട് എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ്. ക്യാൻ ഐ റേസ്? Now you are in 7th standard. Surely you want to write speedily. Okay, then give me the next. Which is the next one, all of you? The president and the defense chiefs were present at the meeting. There, what is the auxiliary there? Give me, what is the auxiliary? Yes, directly were is there, right? Then first one, were in they, answer. Were in they. Then next, were they. Okay, positive y, negative y. Next നോക്കിയേ. The inspectors will conduct a surprise check. The inspectors will conduct, want they അല്ലേ? Want inspectors. സബ്ജക്റ്റ് നോക്കണേ. സിംഗുലർ. ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സിംഗുലർ ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനനുസരിച്ച് എഴുതണം. പ്ലൂറൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനനുസരിച്ച് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ദ ഇൻസ്പെക്ടേഴ്സ് വിൽ കണ്ടക്ട് എ സർപ്രൈസ് ചെക്ക്. വോണ്ട് ദേ. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വിൽ ദേ. Want they. Next, will they. Okay, all of you? Okay, we completed, right? Okay, then more practice that you can do yourself. Okay, all of you? Then I think you understood the chapter well. Sentences നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ എന്തൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു? Sentence, kinds of sentence പറഞ്ഞു. Then some practices we did. ദെൻ സെൻറ്റൻസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുമ്പോൾ അതിലുള്ള പങ്ക്ച്വേഷൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യരുത്? മറന്നു പോകരുത്. ഡോണ്ട് ഫോർഗെറ്റ് ദ പങ്ക്ച്വേഷൻ മാർക്സ് ആൻഡ് എവറിത്തിങ്. ആൻഡ് fill the blanks with the what, a, what on, and what. We completed. And we completed question tag also. Okay, inshallah we can conduct one test paper reason soon after getting your textbook. Okay, all of you? Then don't forget, in question tags, if there is no auxiliary, surely we want to check whether it is in which tense we want to check. Okay, all of you, right? Okay, then I think understood everything and study well which are the things you get. Okay, all of you, thank you.